One of the constant frustrations with owning a pool isn't always having to go out and get your water tested. It's not necessarily having to break your back every year by dumping hundreds of kilograms of salt or many tubs of chlorine into the water to keep it pristine. It's the fact that if you prefer to leave it uncovered so that you can actually enjoy the look of your pool, the cleaning never really stops. Even when you get yourself a wireless, robotic pool cleaner, which should do most of the work itself, you still find yourself pulling it out of the water every couple of days, emptying it, charging it for hours, and then putting it back in the pool. Now, while that is easier than what it used to be, it can still be quite laborious. So when iGarden told me that they had a robot that could run up to 15 hours on a single charge and also stay in the water for up to 3 weeks at a time without having to touch it, I have to admit that I was a little bit skeptical at first, as that is a big claim. But after having tested the iGarden K Pro 150 for the past few weeks in my own pool, I have to say that they definitely were not exaggerating. In fact, I believe that I have been well and truly converted. Hi all, my name is Davis and welcome to the channel where we cover all things tech. And pool tech is something that I've been getting more and more into recently because it's a space that's actually seen so much innovation over the past few years. And everything that promises to make my life slightly more convenient is something that I can definitely get behind. And this video is sponsored by iGarden, but as always, I'm going to give you my real life experience about what it's like to be using the K Pro 150. There's a discount code and an affiliate link in the description too if you end up wanting one as well. So before we get to the K Pro 150 itself, let me just quickly explain why the battery thing is actually a bigger deal than what it might sound on paper. So I've been testing cordless robotic pool cleaners for the past few years. While they are great, they usually only give you somewhere between 90 minutes and 3 hours of runtime, and that is enough to clean the pool once or twice, and then you have to fish it out, drain it, charge it for a while, and then put it back. So in practice, your robot pool cleaner is more manual than most of the brands would have you believe. Now, what iGarden has done with the K Pro is essentially cut much of the manual labor out of this equation by fitting an absolutely massive battery, more than 3 times the capacity of most of the competitors. And that means that it can run for up to 15 hours before having to be recharged. So it can actually live in your pool doing scheduled cleans every few days, and you don't have to think about it for up to 3 weeks at a time. Now that fundamentally changes how you use a robotic pool cleaner. And once you've experienced this, let me just say that you will really struggle to go back to the alternatives. So in the box, you get the robot itself, a charger, and a hook for fishing it out. And that is practically all you need. And what you almost immediately notice as well, it is absolutely gorgeous, which is something that I never thought that I would say about a pool cleaner. Now, where most of them look functional at best, this looks like it was designed by the Italian design house Pininfarina. It literally looks like an Italian supercar. If Alfa Romeo designed a pool cleaner, I would say that it would look a lot like this. Even the metallic paintwork, it looks like the beautiful deep red color that is Rosso Etna, and it is just absolutely stunning under the sun. And the clean, muscular, curvaceous lines look more like a piece of sculpture than the grey-blue plastic blobs that pool cleaners often are. I really do appreciate that iGarden has put genuine passion into the design. It doesn't only look good, but it feels pretty good as well, because the build quality is very solid indeed. The housing feels very well sealed and engineered. The rubber tracks are wide and grippy, and the whole device feels like that it was made to withstand years of saltwater abuse, something that is backed by the 3-year warranty. Now on the top back panel, there are a number of touch buttons, and now these actually work pretty well, even with wet fingers. Now, while it can be a little bit difficult to see under direct sunlight, you can also use the app to change your settings, which we will touch upon later. Now, next to the big carrier handle that is integrated very nicely indeed into the design, we have the very large debris bucket, which is 4 liters in capacity, which means that it can carry a week's worth of collections at a time. Now, as you can see, it is very easy to remove and clean. Now, a concern that a lot of people have with robotic pool cleaners, especially if older relatives are going to operate it too, is the setup. Now, luckily, setting up the K Pro has been pretty painless. The first time you set it up, I would recommend pairing it with the app just so that it is updated with the latest firmware, and that isn't a pain at all. You can just scan the QR code that is in the box, which takes you to the app, and the app takes it from there. You can easily connect it to your home Wi-Fi, and even the update takes only a few short minutes. During this time, it might also be a good time to charge the robot for the first time, which takes just a few hours from flat. So before putting it in the pool, you can just select how often you would like to clean, and you can use the aforementioned touch interface. So on the screen, you can do things like select how long you would like it to clean for, whether or not you would like to use the turbo mode, which unlocks twice the power. You can set a schedule so you can let it know that you would like the pool cleaned every second day, things like that. We could even set it all up in the app, which is actually what I prefer, because reading the options on the phone screen is a little bit easier, and you have more options as well, like what time of day you would like to schedule. When setting options on your phone, as with almost all pool cleaners, please remember to set your options before you put the robot in the pool, because unfortunately both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi can't travel through water no matter how hard we might try. That's just the laws of physics, I'm afraid. So now let's talk about the headline feature of the K Pro 150, the 15 hours of battery life. And for me, this has actually changed how I use the device when compared to an ordinary cordless robot. Now, this figure applies for the standard floor cleaning, so floor and wall and turbo modes, and that drops to a still substantial 8 or so hours of battery if you want to clean the entire pool, including the water line. So the great thing that having the super long battery life unlocks is up to the 3 weeks of completely hands-off cleaning. So if you use a scheduled mode to clean the pool every 72 hours or so, because of that amazing battery life and the high capacity of the filter basket as well, you can just leave the robot in the pool and not think about cleaning at all. Now, that is a real contrast to those machines that can only complete 1 clean on a charge, and then you have to dish it out and then charge it and then do all of the rest. So what I did with this particular cleaner was just drop it in my pool on a Sunday, set it to clean every couple of days. I didn't touch it, and then 2 weeks later, I came back to the pool and it was still pristine. The iGarden was sitting on the edge of the pool with the auto park feature. I just grabbed it out with a hook, emptied the basket, charged it, and it was good to go for another couple of weeks. It is absolutely game-changing. For anyone who travels, has long holidays, or genuinely just does not want to clean about pool maintenance in general, this is an absolute game-changer. So as great as the battery is, it would be for naught if the iGarden could not clean well. So I guess that it's good that it's almost equally as impressive here. In turbo modes, the K Pro 150 offers up to 6,604 gallons per hour of suction power, which is up there with the leaders in the class. It's powered by a triple motor system, and there is a turbine grade impeller as well. So when in turbo mode, it can clean even up to the worst of pool messes. But genuinely, if you just set it to clean every couple of days in normal mode, it's just fine as well. On the front, we have dual scrubbing brushes, and they are especially good for scrubbing the water line, which homeowners know is the area that requires the most attention. And as you can see here, the way that it climbs walls and over stairs is most impressive too. I've seen so many pool cleaners get stuck on these particular stairs as well, but this has no issue at all. Filtration is handled by a 180 micron filter system that catches all of the debris like twigs and gravel and even smaller particles like algae and dust. And unlike some other systems, it is pretty easy to remove and clean with an ordinary garden hose as well. So the navigation system that the iGarden utilizes is called 3D S-Path, which is their version of intelligent structured cleaning. So instead of just bumping around randomly, the robot uses infrared sensors and an IMU to map out your pool, and then it cleans in a structured S-shaped pattern. There's also adaptive torque control, which adjusts the power going to the tracks depending on what surface it is on. So when it's on a smooth, flat floor, it backs off and saves battery. And then when it's on a wall, it increases the suction power. It is intelligent features like this that account for the amazing battery life, in addition to the massive battery, of course. Now you can select from a variety of cleaning modes, including floor only, walls and waterline only, and also full coverage. I usually use a full coverage mode because I do want to clean the entire pool, walls included. But if you do want the longest possible battery life, floor only would be the way to go. So should you buy the iGarden K-Pro 150? So as impressive as this robot is, it is neither the most affordable, nor is it super small. So let's say if you've got an above ground small pool, this would be absolute overkill. You can get something like the K-Pro 100. That might be a better choice, which is the same thing, but with a smaller battery. And if you've got a medium-sized pool and don't quite need the full 15 hours, the K-Pro 120 sits in the middle of the range with 12 hours of battery, and that's worth a look as well. But the 150 is made for larger in-ground pools, and that is where it really shines. There is nothing else on the market that comes close to the 15 hours of floor-only runtime that the 150 gets. Even if you are getting 8 hours of floor and wall cleaning, that should be more than enough for an entire week's worth of use. But if that still isn't enough for you, a corded solution might be what you need. Another limitation is the lack of a skimmer. Some robots only clean the floor, but can skim the surface as well. But from my experience, those two-in-one solutions are definitely more experimental than what you would actually want to use. So getting a separate skimmer is what I do and would recommend. And also, if you do want a robot that you can control manually, like a remote control car, this isn't the robot for you either. One with a wired attachment is what you would be looking for, because again, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth can't travel underwater. So where I have landed is, if you've got a medium to large in-ground pool and genuinely want to make maintenance as easy as possible, there is nothing that gets close to the K-Pro 150's endurance. The battery life really puts this heads and shoulders above the competition in my eyes. 3 years of warranty is also longer than what most competitors offer as well. And it helps that it is by far the most attractive pool cleaner that I have ever seen. I've got a link to the K-Pro in the description, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer as well. A massive thanks to iGarden for sponsoring this video and for making it possible. So if you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, I hope that you are having a simply amazing day. Toodaloo.